Hi everyone, this is Aris from Made for It Cleaners. So, update lang dun sa ating invoicing process. Kasi 'di ba yung second invoice ninyo or yung final invoice ninyo, you do it through this invoice generator. And I receive a feedback na medyo hassle daw siya gawin kasi nga ang daming lumalabas na ads. So, what I did was I just copied the same format doon sa ating spreadsheet para hindi na kayo mahirapan. So, explain ko lang muna para dun sa ating mga bagong cleaners. This is how you create your invoice. So, basically, magkakaroon kayo ng access dito sa sheet na to, but then again, wala kayong access to edit. So what you'll have to do is to go to file if you're using a laptop and then make a copy. You can just create your own copy and then save that copy para sa mga future invoices pa na gagawin ninyo. Now, when you already have your copy, you just have to put your name here, of course your address, phone number, ABN, BSP, bank account number, email address, etc. And then, you don't have to edit na this kasi this is our email. Actually, dito nyo siya dapat isend accounts at madeforitcleaners.com. For those who are sending emails po sa admin, please refrain from doing that. Lahat lang po ng invoices natin dapat dito po pumapasok para hindi po malito yung accounting natin. Invoice number, date of coverage, or usually ito yung nilalagay natin sa cut-off natin, yung period niya. And then yung due date is of course every 30th and every 15th of the month. So after that, you'll just have to put in the dates. Say for example, October 1 kunyari lahat yan. And then, what are the property? Delete ko muna para bigyan ko kayo ng example. Oops, sorry. Perfect. So, say for example, October 1, you have, say one job lang. Ang job mo ay Brew 003. And yung configuration ng Brew 003, you have to know, makikita nyo naman po yun sa Connect Team. So, sa Connect Team, malalaman nyo kung ano yung configuration. Say, Brew 003, or ito na lang, good example, ABB 002 for example. So, ABB 002, what's the configuration? Configuration is 2 beds, 1 bath. So, lalagay nyo lang po dito, 2 beds, 1 bath. You need to make sure na ganito po yung format, 2B/1B. Wala po siyang space. Kasi pag hindi po ganyan yung format, hindi po masusunod yung formula. So, pag in-enter nyo na siya, lalabas na po yung cost niya. And then, dito naman po sa delivery, did you do the delivery? If you did the delivery, you just have to put in yes. Ito yung cost, lalabas na din. Using ko lang yung format nito. Okay. So, you did the delivery. If you did not do the delivery, just say no and magzi-zero siya. Did you do a key handover for that day, for that specific property? Let's say you said yes, so lalabas na din dito yung cost. If you did not do it, just put in no. Ad hoc or extra hours title. So for this one, you just have to put in the ad hoc task you did. Say for example, I spent 1 hour cleaning the bathroom. Bathroom cleaning. Extra. Very simple lang po. Basta lang maintindihan ng accounting kung ano yung ginawa ninyo. Bathroom cleaning, extra. And then how many hours you spend to do that? Say, you spend 30 minutes, just put 0.5. Okay? If you spend 1 hour, just put 1. And the cost will reflect here. If you spend 2 hours, just put 2 hours. Okay? And at the bottom, you will see the total cost. Pag na input nyo na po lahat ng details na kailangan ninyo. Now, you'll have to send this to us every 25th of the month. So you'll just have to download that as PDF. So you just have to send it to us to accounts every 25th and every 10th of the month. Now, the accounting department will review all the information kung tama. Itatali nila yan dito sa Connect Team kung tama, at pag natali na nila at correct yung total amount mo, the accounting department will send you an email telling you that it's all good, you can proceed to step 2. Now, bakit po meron tayong step 2? The reason meron tayong step 2 is para din po sa inyo to. Kasi we don't want the cleaners, or we don't want, of course, the government of Australia to know, kasi some of the housekeepers po kasi you are exceeding na your number of hours. So, pag ito po kasi yung pinasa natin sa government, pag ito kasi yung pinasa natin or in-upload natin sa ating accounting software, makikita or magiging questionable sa government or sa ATO yung ang dami mong job, so ilang hours yung nilaan mo para dyan to do that. So, pag sinabi mo na I only spend 5 hours, maki-question ka kasi ang daming jobs. Alright? So, the reason meron tayong step 2 is for us to hide kung ilan talaga yung total hours na trinabaho ninyo. Now, this is step 2. Ginawa ko na lang din po. Actually, before, eto nga po yung ginagamit ninyo. But I think this one is easier. Gumawa ako. So, basically, parehas lang nung information na nandito. So, you'll just have to input the invoice number. So, say invoice number 1. Just put number 1. I've entered na my information here, but of course, you have to enter your own information. Bill to made for it cleaners. Okay. And then, anong date mo pinasa? Say, papasa mo siya ng October 30, 2024. And kailan mo siya ina-expect na mabayaran? Say, October 30 din, 2024. Well, yan naman yung lagi nating due date, right? Every 30th and every 15th of the month. So, for this one, very easy lang. Hindi nyo na iisa-isahin. Madali lang. Cleaning services. Key handovers, and ad hoc tasks, and then dito delivery services. Oops. So, say, sa cleaning, ang lagi nyo na lang po ditong ilagay 1. Okay. So, 1 na lang dyan lagi. Say, for example, kinumpute mo yung cleaning mo. Magkano yung cost ng total cleaning mo? Say, ang total cost niya ay 780. Tapos, yung key handover tsaka ad hoc task mo, compute mo din. Magkano yung total nun? Say, 250. And then, yung delivery mo, total delivery na ginawa mo, magkano yung total? Let's say, 150. And then, eto na po yung total. You just have to input your bank details. No. Actually, sorry guys. Okay. Okay, sa financial details, you just have to enter kung ano yung name ninyo sa bank. Say Aris Tapispisan, that's your bank details. And then, yung bank name mo, for example, is ANZ. And then, what's your BSB number? Da 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 da. What's your account number? Da 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 da. Okay? And then, pag na-input nyo na lahat ng information, you just have to highlight that. And then, download nyo lang as PDF ulit. Oops. Portrait. That's it. So, export nyo lang and then you just have to send it to us. So, very easy lang po this time. It's for your own sake then para hindi nila matrace kung gaano kadaming oras yung na-spend natin cleaning the property. So, after mo ma-save ito, you'll just have to send it again to accounts at madeforitcleaners.com. Ganun po. Alright, so let me know if you have questions po. Thank you.